Good morning. Wednesday. Looks like we have a lot of movement to the upside this morning. We got the low right here at about 1 o'clock, and then the high happening right here again at 4:25, and after that just takes off. We're right here right now. Let's take a look at this here. Don't see any particular trend at the moment, but we know that it's an uptrend day. This is from previous day, so let's see what we're going to be able to get here. So we have a second entry coming up to the long side right here, even though it's against the EMA, but I think the overall trend today is a strong uptrend. You can see that. So I think let's get our orders ready here and see
Order
if we can
submitted.
squeeze this in. The risk is starting to get a little big. There you go. We'll be right here. Okay, we just got filled. Realistically, it will be a 3-point risk, 3 and 1 tick. It's a little high, but I think it should work out.
Target filled.
Okay, just got filled. Let's drag this up so that we don't risk anything. Realistically, I'm gonna put this right here because I think if it can get up any higher, it will struggle somewhere around here.
Target filled.
Great. Yeah, we could get a little more, but it's a bit risky. It might turn back on us.
Target filled.
So I hit the wrong button, but we were able to get a scalp, and then got kicked out on our runner, so we didn't get anything on the runner. So I step away for a little bit and take a look at what's happening. So we went uptrend here and then starting to creating a pretty steep downtrend. We practically broke out of this particular channel here, and now this one's in play. So we have second entry right here. We would have gotten it, right? Didn't see that, but it's testing this channel right now. I want to see a second test of this channel. This one got closed, but right now we got to continue to take a look at this here. This is a pretty steep trend going down. I don't know if it's going to break this this descending channel or not. So let's take a look at that. That's a doji. I don't like to use doji as a signal. Right now this is trending above. Let's take a look and see if it comes back and touch this line. Too dangerous to take it right now. Okay, so this looks pretty interesting here. We got first entry right here, building on the second entry. Look how it went above the EMA a little bit and then quickly rechecked, right? So I'm gonna see if I can take a short position here, looking for it to make new lows here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, especially with that right there, that could be a trap to get people going in to the long side. First entry long is actually right here. This is the second entry here. So at this point, even though the overall trend is going up, we have been pretty bearish lately, and apparently I'm afraid of, so it looks like it would have made it a scalp, so this is no longer in play. But I'm a little worried about going long right now after this particular rejection to the long side here. So we'll wait for the next opportunity.
Order canceled.
It looks pretty nice right here, but man, we just don't have any signal. Like this right here, yeah, this one right here is pretty good, but we totally missed it. This one right here is good, but it's only a first entry. Let's see if we can trigger this one here. So right now that is a second entry right there to go short.
Order submitted.
So let's do that, right? And then we move it up as this thing finishes, but it's colliding against this particular channel right here. You can see that. Reject it. See if it rejects it right here. This bar is pretty bullish. That's the only thing. But right now, if it passes this, I want to capitalize on it. It is a big risk, but we are on top of this channel. Looks like we are trading within this descending channel right here. So let's take it. My order got filled and then I got kicked out like right away. I didn't even get a chance to move my stop. So technically the stop is right here. Right here. It's a big. So we lost 2 ticks right there, but it's still in. So I don't even have time to sell it on the top there to double it up. It would have worked. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to move it up because we have to move it up, right? Because right here is where that is, and that would have been a nice play. Everything happened within like 5 seconds, and I was looking at an email. Unfortunately, that took away all our profits. Man, I don't even know what's
we'll break it
going
down.
on here.
I'm gonna try scale.
Take a look at this. It went way down real fast and then corrected immediately. So here's the first entry. Short. Here's the second one. With this thing going the way it did right here, I want to look for a short trap. I'm still upset about the last one. We should have had it. I might reset my stop loss to say 3 just so that I have time to react.
Order submitted.
I'm just gonna put it up there just in case. Well, I don't want to get in, but if there's one, I want to be able to capitalize on it. Look how strong that trend is. Darn it. I pulled it down, but I couldn't get it on time. Should be right here, and we would have gotten that scalp.
Order
I
filled.
feel like chasing it. Shouldn't have chased, but that trap already worked. I think there's more room to the upside though. So that order should have been right here actually. Should have been right here. Got a bunch of people in, went straight up that way. Yeah, and then it went back down, and I chased that order, which I shouldn't have. And that is one of the things that we cannot do, is we got to put our order in, and if we miss it, we just have to miss it. If it comes back, we can't afford to chase it the way that we did. And we just lost that one. Unfortunately, we did that to ourselves. Cannot do that, because we were trying to pull it down here, and it would have given us a scalp and comes back. That's what the trap does, right? It just reacts really fast. So if we miss it, it comes back. That the trap already worked. Alright, I'm going to take another trade here. So we have a second entry long right here that's still not fulfilling. And then we have a second entry short right here. I'm thinking this is a trap. Recheck that EMA. I'm going to set it up right here.
Order submitted.
First entry up. Second entry will be triggering somewhere right here. There's a double bottom.
Order filled.
Right. So again, this right here is where the stop's gonna be. We do have enough to come all the way down here to get that scalp.
Target filled.
Right. Good. I honestly don't know. I'm gonna leave this. We have to get aggressive with the runner.
Stop filled.
Oh. Okay.
Target filled. Stop filled.